Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I want to talk to you about an interesting company, uh, definitely some company that you probably even not know that exists, uh, but definitely something to check out, maybe put on your watch list. As always, please remember, this is not a financial advice, this is just my opinion. Uh, just sharing you my thoughts, what I'm looking at, only for entertainment purposes, as always. If you are new to the channel, just wanted to say welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about which stocks to look at, which stocks to invest on, whether it is dividends or whether it's growth stocks, you've come to the right channel. I do a lot of stock reviews, whether it is dividends and growth stocks. Um, so if these are something you want to learn and you don't know which stocks are great to invest, so hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor too and hit that like button as it helps grow the channel. So follow me in my journey as we find these diamonds in the rugs that I say to make uh, lots of money. As always, remember this is not a financial advice. Let's take a look at this company called Ritchie Brothers Auctioneers. The ticker symbol is RBA. So it is a company that is in the industrial auctioneering. It engages in the sale of equipment of on-site and online bidders. So as you can see from the website, they have different industrial equipment that people can bid, and you can also I believe you can also sell the equipment here and buy the equipment. So they have like tractors and dump trucks, wheel loaders, cranes, transport trucks, excavators, and so on. So you can bid online. Um, you can do in-house financing, uh, pretty much kind of like a online shopping for industrial equipment. So if we look down to uh, Simply Safe Dividend, you can see their dividend safety score is a 70, which is safe. Dividend yield is 1.31. Last year, the dividend growth is 10%, which is great. Market cap is 7 billion. So if we look down to key metrics, you can see one of the things I look at is in times of recession, do they do well or not? And in this case, they've increased their dividends. Payout ratio is 52%. So one of the things that I look about is the dividend. So this one has a dividend as well, and it's been growing, which is great. So last year it was growing 10%. For the past 5 years, it's 7%. The last 10 years was 8%, so which is pretty good. Love that. Look at that chart. That is a beautiful chart in my opinion. Now, even more beautiful is that for 17 years, it has uninterrupted dividend streak of 17 years without a reduction. So that is great. They've increased their dividends for 17 years. So this is something that I look at. I think these are the type of companies that I definitely try to invest on to get that dividend payment. Now, if you look at it, if this is something that will interest you, you will get paid quarterly, which is March, June, September, and December. The annual payout would be 88 cents. That's part of that one. So now let's look at the CNN business to see what is their forecast. As you can see at the time of this video, what it is 67 with the high of 85, medium of 80, and the low of 65. So if we look down to what their analyst recommendations, you can see there is 3 buys, 5 holds, and 2 sells. So the reporting date is March 4. So now let's take a look at tip ranks. If you look at tip ranks, based on their analysis, which was 4 of them, 1 buy, 3 holds. So their price target is 73. Currently, at the time of this video, 67. So I think it's going to hit that 73 at some point with the 8% upside. Now their forecast would be in the high of 80, average is 73, and the low is 65. Now if we look at NASDAQ, you can also see that they also recommend it as a buy, and there were 7 analysis. So these are the firms that looked at it. Their price tag is also 73 with the high of 80, average of 73, and the low of 65. So you can see pretty much most of them think that it's going to hit 73, which I also agree, at some point. Now, if we look at bar chart, get a little bit more too, so you can see their analysis. There was 9 of them rated as a moderate buy. So if you look down through the list, it's been a moderate buy for the past 3 months. 2 months moderate buy, 1 month moderate buy, so which is great. Now let's take a quick look at Robinhood. As you can see, with Robinhood, 45 of their analysis rated as a hold. So at the time of this video, it was 67. It was down 0.3. For the week, it was down 6%. For the month, it's up 5%. 3 months, it's up 17%. For the year, it's up 56%. For 5 years, it's up 185%. Now, I did purchase way back when it was 57. I bought 2 shares. I do have some fractional shares in there because I turn on the reinvestment drip. So my total return is 17% at this time. I will probably purchase more, but no more than probably 10 to probably 20 shares. I do like the dividend, but I think I'm not going to purchase no more than probably 10 to 15, even 20. That would probably be my max. Great company. I think it's a nice company to do it, but I think the other companies that are much more better, I think I would put my money on those things. I like it, but I'm not going to invest no more than probably 25, like I said, because I'd rather use those money to invest in other companies that are paying a higher dividends. But this is a fun company to have. I think in my opinion, it's a solid company. So with that said, thank you for checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that like button for me. Thank you so much. If you are still watching this video, I really do appreciate you guys. You're the best. As always, please remember to be safe out there. Stay cool. And definitely keep investing, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Aloha.